kids, it's teacher Steph, and today I have something exciting to show you. We will be unboxing Happy Head Start's Joypack! So before we see all the exciting goodies inside, what is a Joypack?
Joypack is a multi-theme learning kit with engaging activities and high-quality materials designed to nourish your toddler's development at home. Each kit comes with an easy-to-follow guide to facilitate music and movement, literacy, art projects, and motor activities and videos for your child to enjoy.
Each month, we release a kit with a theme, and the activities are divided by week. So we are sure that you'll have a month-long blast learning with Mommy and Daddy.
Let's look what's inside. You will see the parents' weekly guide for the activities. All the materials are included. Activities are packed by week for easy access. Let's take a peek on some of the activities. Let's make a sun. In this activity, you can use it in many ways. You can practice counting by counting the rays of the sun. Use the buttons for color recognition. And a button and activity, a great tool for those cute little fingers. Ta-da! Plus, it is reusable for more hours of fun learning. Here's another set of cards that can develop language skills and color recognition. Colorful craft activity with all the materials included. And there you have it! Happy Head Start's Joypack Learning Kit. Have fun learning!